erosion. Weathering breaks large rocks into smaller pieces. Erosion is the movement of the pieces of rock. There is a number of ways that the particles can move. Running water can pick up rocks and move them downstream. The erosion in running water creates river deltas. Erosion also happens when wind picks up small particles and moves them. Sandstorms are large gusts of wind carrying sand. Waves can also move sediments. Every day, water moves pebbles into shore and off the shore. Lastly, glaciers pick up rocks and move them around. As the glaciers move the trap, rocks scrape the Earth's surface, creating valleys. Next is a deposition. Deposition is the putting down or depositing of sediment, soil, and rocks. Deposition by water can form deltas. Deposition by glaciers may cause moraines.
Let's learn more about erosion and deposition. Reminder, our retest will be November 2nd. So it will be next Monday. Erosion is a really long process. After rocks have been weathered, that means broken down into pieces, erosion moves the rocks around. For example, it's good to think about erosion like a broom that is sweeping up the rock pieces into new locations. Erosion can be caused by different factors. For example, wind, strong wind that is blowing the rocks around, gravity, when gravity drops rocks, or water, when water is flowing in locations and moving the water around. Another process is deposition. This deposition is the process when rocks settle or deposit in a new location. When rocks settle in a new location, it is when these rocks come together. This is how landforms form, because they are coming together and it can be setting up a delta or a beach. Those landforms gather together in a new place. Deposition and erosion work together to move the rocks around and also deposit in new places. There are different types of deposition. For example, sand being blown around. For example, the glaciers when they are melting and falling down. These two factors are what can cause deposition, because it is causing rock material to move. Remember, erosion and deposition is something that keeps on occurring on, and it is part of our environment.